Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your November read now for the full month. A general read to see how your month's going to go, Leo. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you, so take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Leo, let's begin with a blessing from Lord Ganesha for this new month of November for Leo. Lord Ganesha, please give us a blessing or an advice for my lions and lionesses. Let's take one from the angels as well. My angels, a blessing or an advice for my Leos, please, for the month of November. Okay, this one and this one. Let's put the rest back, Leo, and see what Lord Ganesha and my angels have for you as blessings for the month of November. So Leo, Lord Ganesha gives you the card of empowerment. Very nice. If I remember correctly, this card came out for you for the October read as well. Empowerment. Okay. And so you're well on your way. I mean, you've already begun, I think, empowering yourself and being on the correct path. And you get the other card of healthful. So health is going to be of primary importance, Leo, and health doesn't just mean physical health. It could also be your emotional health, uh, just being an all-rounded, take care of yourself, whether it's your happiness, whether it's in love, whether it's in work, whether, yes, it's actually your physical health. So take care of that. And yes, Lord Ganesha has already given you the card of empowerment. So I'm sure you're going to do a fantastic job. So let's, Leo, start and let's see what the cards are going to take out for you now. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for all your support to the channel. I'm very blessed. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, we invite you in. Please join the Omkara family. If you enjoy these readings, we welcome you in. Do subscribe to the channel and become part of us. So Leo, bottom of my deck, I have the Seven of Cups. So yes, you may have many new options coming your way, Leo, now. That is a strong possibility. I'm going to keep this here. I don't see you getting confused because you are empowered. So these could only mean that you'll have lots and lots of things to choose from now. And Leo, if you need a private reading, of course, my November calendar is open now. You can email me at on the email in the description box below and book a private reading with me as well. So your current position, Leo, is the King of Pentacles. Wow. No wonder you're feeling empowered. Don't forget to, now look after your physical health as well because you're on your way to fame and fortune, it seems. Spirit, why is the King of Pentacles here for Leo as their current position? Okay. Leo, maybe in the past you kind of are coming out of something which really didn't work for you. Maybe you ended something, maybe an old job, old business, maybe you got laid off or something happened in the past which made you feel like your finances were maybe not in the best place and that made you lose strength. But Spirit is saying fresh new offers are on their way for you, Leo, which are going to empower you to a big degree, right? So look forward now in November. New beginnings are coming for you, which are going to now put you back in the seat of power. After feeling this way, maybe you felt this way, feeling, loss of finances, loss of, just feeling left out and not that abundant, right? And maybe you felt a loss in your Pentacles area. That's how I see it, because the King of Pentacles is now coming into a position, that's you, right? Coming into a position of getting empowered with your finances and money and everything put together. This is not a money read, but King of Pentacles is also the person who has it all. This is one king who is grounded. Now, masculine, feminine doesn't matter. This is somebody who has their stability back in order. So, what happened in your recent past? Ah, okay. This could be new love, Leo. This could be new love as well. Maybe you got your heart broken recently and you felt kind of left out and abandoned, and you kind of started losing your strength. But yes, I see these cards in the same way, that either if you are the masculine, you are going to now find new love, right? You are going to be in a very stable position where you're going to have it all, from your home to your stability to your relationship. Everything is on its way. And if you're a feminine Leo watching this reading and you've recently had your heart broken here, and you have been feeling like you've been abandoned and left out in the cold, and you've kind of lost your strength, I see somebody coming towards you with an offer of love. That's nice. That's nice. Good for you, Leo. So, Spirit, this Three of Swords. What happened here? Three of Swords. This is in your past energy, Leo. Something happened which kind of broke your heart. What happened here, Spirit? Spirit says it doesn't matter what happened, what didn't happen. It's in the past. We're going to leave it in the past, because all we need to know now, Leo, is new beginnings are coming for you. Brand new beginnings. This is not old love. This is not this love and that love. This is like a fresh new beginning that's coming for you, whether it's in money, whether it's in love. I don't know what you guys have recently lost, but whatever you've lost, you're going to be regaining it, and you're going to feel totally empowered, because new offers are going to come your way now in November. So, what should you hold on to? Hold on to the feeling that you can have this, the perfect love of your life, the lovers. This is the feeling. Spirit says, hold on to this feeling and attract it, manifest it, because it's coming for you now. Yes, the Spirit is also saying that I think, Leo, some people have their eye on you, or maybe you have your eye on somebody. Don't be too defensive. Don't keep yourself over guarded. If you've been hurt in the past, maybe in your love department, now it's showing me more and more that it could be a, you know, the cards have been reading to now could be kind of connected to your love life. So if you have been hurt in the past, you've had your heart broken, Leo, uh, please know that hold on to this feeling of having that perfect love in your life with the Lover's card, and don't be too defensive. Don't be too, how do you say this, when you get a bit, I can't get that word right now, when you're trying to scrutinize everybody and anyone who comes in your path, and you're being defensive and saying, hey, looking back to see this person's going to hurt me too. I've been hurt. Look at this person looking back. So I've been hurt, in my past. So I'm going to keep my sword up all the time and be defensive. So Spirit is saying, don't hold on to this feeling. Hold on to this feeling instead of finding the perfect love. Attract that perfect love that's on their way. Coming with fresh new beginnings for you, Leo. Wow. Good for you. So let's see what's coming up in November. Wow, Leo, I'm so happy for you. See what's coming up in your November position. 10 of Pentacles. Now, 10 of Pentacles, once again, like the King of Pentacles, is not just about money, it's having it all. It's like, see this card carefully. This is a card of having a stable home where you have money, you have abundance, you have family, you have friends, you have relatives, you have growth, you have abundance in every form possible. Leo, this is going to be a great month for you, it seems. So, 10 of Pentacles, Spirit. Not that it needs much clarification, but let's have a few cards on the 10 of Pentacles. You are going to be the magician of your own life, Leo. I mean, what else can I say? I was scared to take a clarifier because this card is anyways that beautiful, but see what it gets clarified with. You have been gifted now with every tool possible to make all your dreams come true. So look at this magician. This is one person who has manifested, learned the art of manifestation. As above, so below. This person has the wand and the cup and the pentacle and the sword to manifest. All the four tools available are available to this magician to create now this Ten of Pentacles life. So if you've been hurt in the past, Leo, it's a thing of the past. Even spirit doesn't want to talk about it anymore. And they're saying, hey, let's just leave this. Just leave this. Don't look back. Look ahead. So what should Leo let go of now, spirit? Let go of always having to be in control of the power, or just keeping trying to be in control of every situation. I think with the Emperor card, let go of feeling that you are the be all and end all of every situation. I think, sorry, I'm so sorry, Leo. I think this month is going to be the month of let go and let God. God has everything planned for you, Leo. All you have to do is attract it. Don't be thinking that you have to, kind of be strict, and you have to be powerful, and you have to control every aspect of your life to get this Four of Wands. It's already being made available to you. So just kind of sit back, lean back, and enjoy it. Yes, you have been very, very badly hurt, maybe Leo, in the past, but after these 10 swords, Spirit is saying, we don't have an 11th. There is no 11th possible that can be plunged into your back. You have already been hurt enough. We recognize that, we know that, and now what we want to give you is now the Ace of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, and the Ace of Wands. So, yes, so Spirit is saying, please let go of this feeling that you all have to always be very tight and be, always having to control every aspect of your life, be defensive all the time, be scrutinizing every aspect of your life. Just let go and let God in November and see the miracles flow in your life. Yes, you have to play a little part. All you have to do is allow it and manifest it. So let's see what's going to be your biggest blockage, Leo. Your biggest blockage, Leo, is of not making any moves. Try and not get stuck on any aspect of your life if you're still kind of feeling beaten down by what happened in your past, I think, which is not allowing you to take chances, or it's made you very angry or very heartbroken. And if you stay stuck in this aspect of your life for too long, it's going to become a blockage, right? You have the Three of Swords twice, but thankfully both are in the past position. One is in the past position of what happened to you, and one is here. If you keep this still holding on in like the stuck position of the Hangman and being angry and upset all the time, it can become blockage. Let go of that sword now for a little while. Like this Emperor is also, holding the sword, just like this Queen is, whether you're masculine or feminine. Don't keep that sword up for too long and not allow anything new to come into your life. Otherwise, yes, it can become a blockage, and you are going to not just block love from entering your life, you're going to block all kinds of abundance. You have to let life flow the way it's meant to flow. So how do people see you? People see you as a bit conflicted now. They also see you doing very well. They see you as the King of Pentacles, just as you showed up here, just as you showed up in your current position, is exactly how people see you. People around you, your friends, your family, your close ones, but they also see you, Leo, as being a little combative. You are not, maybe because of the fear of getting hurt, you are still kind of keeping your guard up, and you seem a bit conflicted right now. So this is going to become a blockage, Leo. I'm afraid for you now. Just don't be expecting conflicts in your life. Yes, people also see you as very flirtatious. They see you as wanting to have fun. Yes, they see you as someone who is very attractive, very flirtatious, a fun person to be around, but sometimes they also see you a little conflicted. Like you want to keep things light. You want to keep things very, very light. You're scared of getting in deep because you think it may finally lead to a conflict, just the way maybe your past relationship did. So let's see what Spirit's secret message is for you, Leo. Spirit's secret message is the same. Don't sit in regret for too long because that's going to hamper you. Four of Cups is here, which is a person who's not accepting any offers. So Leo's Spirit's secret message for you is, instead of sitting in this past hurt, past regret, and not accepting any new offers coming your way, Spirit is urging you now to bring in some happiness and joy in your life. Start having some fun. Start mixing around. Start living life once again. This is Spirit's advice, not mine. Look at the polarity in these two cards. One person with these 3 cups sitting here, one being offered from the heaven itself, and sitting here and saying, I don't want it, I don't want it, because if I take it, I may get hurt again. And Spirit says, no, we want my lion and my lioness to be here now, because we're gifting them with a brand new life. So that's your secret advice to you, Leo. Let's take 3 cards on your love life and your 3 cards on your work life as well, and see where that's going to go. So 3 cards, Spirit, for Spirit given me the same card they gave me earlier. Page of Cups. So yes, many new offers are coming towards you in love, Leo. Many new offers are going to be presented to you, or you may be tempted to take them. So allow this to happen. So 2 more cards, Spirit, for Leo's love life. Leo's love life. Oh, Leo, come on. You know, this is exactly what you're doing, what Spirit doesn't want you to do. Your offers are coming your way. You're tempted to take offers, Leo, but the fear of feeling cheated again, you're holding back. Right? Look at this person, stealing and running off. You expect that to happen to you once again. So here you are, with holding tight, holding back, and I'm not going to love again. I'm not going to take things further than maybe flirting with somebody. I'm not going to give them my full big cup as the King of Cups. I'll remain the Knight of Cups now because that's safe and easy. I'm going to hold back. Let's take some clarifiers for this. So, Spirit, what's this? Knight of Cups? Knight of Cups. Okay, you're healing. That's understandable. You're healing. You need some time out. 7 of Swords. 7 of Swords. Yeah, somebody. See, this is what you're scared of. That if I give my heart fully, I will be cheated upon once again, and then somebody is going to walk away from me once again. This becoming a fear and a blockage in your heart, Leo, in your love life. Yes, you need to heal. It's understandable. Take some time out, but don't expect this to happen, because you are now the magician. You are going to manifest this. The more you're going to think about it, it's going to happen. If you keep sitting in this place forever and say, I'm not going to give of myself, because next time again somebody is going to cheat me, somebody is going to walk away, so I'll just sit here and do nothing about my love life. 4 of Pentacles, Spirit. 4 of Pentacles. 4 of Pentacles. Yes, you're holding back, you don't want to move ahead, because you feel each time I'm going to give of my heart, give of myself, a tower is going to fall and everything's going to be brought right back dust to dust. It's not going to stay. My love life can never be stable, right? So this please don't allow this to happen, Leo. If you've seen the reading, don't expect this to happen. You have the power of the magician now. Be careful, okay? Look after your health, which is also your emotional and psychic health as well. What you're going to think is what you're going to attract. So let's see. Yes, offers are there for you, Leo. It's up to you now what you want to do with them. Are you going to hold back out of fear, or will you accept them? Spirit's secret advice to you was this: don't hold back, don't sit under this tree. Accept happiness in your life once again. What has what is done now. This is a brand new chapter of your life. So let's take 3 cards on your work life as well, Leo. 3 cards for my Leo's work life: money, finance, abundance. Lots of new opportunities to move ahead, Leo, are coming. Be very watchful, and scrutinize every offer that comes your way. Okay? Lots of offers will come, but be very mindful. Check everything 1,000 times over before maybe you sign something. Okay? This is a card which also warns you, sign documents very carefully and read them carefully before signing them, basically. So use your intuition and check on facts and figures. There's lots of new opportunities which are going to be presented to you. They're going to bring you newness and lots of happiness. Let's take one clarifier for these as well. So Spirit Page of Swords for Leo's work life. Oh, if you're careful, Leo, this is what you can expect. This is the happiest card in the deck of the tarot deck, the Sun, and it's also my Leo card. Leo, this is your card. You're represented by the Sun. So yes, if you are careful, if you keep an eye on the prize, look out for new opportunities, use your intuition, you have the Sun and the Ace of Cups, new opportunities. High Priestess, fresh new beginnings, lots of job offers coming, lot of work offers, pentacles, new pentacles, and if you have lost something also, Leo, in the past, that's going to come around. Good karma is on your side now, it seems, and you've been given, this is like a judgment call for you, Leo, to give you this now. This is a fabulous reading for Leo. I'm very, very happy for you. Ace of Cups, Spirit. Why is Ace of Cups here for work and finances? Why is the Ace of Cups here? Leo, Spirit is saying, you keep your head down, okay? You will, if you continue to pursue whatever your passion is, you are going to succeed. Just don't stay in your head for too long. Don't overthink things. Don't get stressed out. Keep working towards your goal. This is what is possible for you. 9 of Pentacles and this. Happiness. I don't see even one negative card here, Leo, for you today, and I'm thrilled about it. Yes, you can expect partnerships as well, right? This is not just a girlfriend boyfriend card. This is actually also means equal partnerships, where you will be very happy and you will be in a very stable place. Just keep working at your craft and you have everything that you need. Don't overthink too many things. Yes, be careful. Don't take on too much work that you get overburdened either. Take time out for yourself as well, and take time out for your health also. Okay? So yes, you are going to be very empowered. This, yes, Chariot is here with the 6 of Swords, moving towards calmer and happier times. So happy for you, Leo. See you soon for your love readings now. Love and light. Take care. Namaste. And wish you a wonderful, wonderful November. From the cards that I see, it's going to be. So till next time, love and light.